Hi, my name is Dan Carmody, and I'm the Executive Director of Tresolution, which is hosting the 2019 U.S. Fintech Symposium in Chicago this September. We're really honored to have Swapna Malekar from the Royal Bank of Canada attending and speaking at this year's event. Her presentation is titled The Ethical Use of Artificial Intelligence in the Banking and Fintech Industries. Swapna, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me, Dan.
My pleasure. Can you tell us a little bit more about your presentation, please?
Sure. Just to give a little bit of a context about what I do at my company, I'm a product lead with the Mutual Funds Distribution Division, and we help clients to plan for their retirement and provide them holistic financial wellness advice as well as other services, right? Back in 2018, we started an initiative to bring in prospects into the RBC ecosystem through our platform. All banks or all companies, for that matter, want to increase the number of clients that they can serve to, right? They want to convert their non-clients or prospects into clients, into paying customers, basically. One of the ways that we realized we could enhance the process of converting prospects into clients is by digitizing the real-life process of KYC and AML. However, we faced a few challenges. Some were technical challenges and some were ethical challenges, right? So since we are using data of a user, of a prospect, we realized since we have this whole responsibility of using this data, what can we do with this data? Because there is this ethical responsibility of financial institutions in order to protect our users' privacy and to protect their data, but also how can we use this data to provide value to our end clients? How can we provide personalization to our end users? How can we use this data to provide more features and provide more value-added services to the end clients so that they can get more value out of our ecosystem?
Sure.
So these were a few of the ethical challenges which we faced on how we can balance the need for user data protection and user data privacy, as well as to provide new insights and new value-added services to our end users.
Yeah, that's awesome. I mean, this is a unique approach. I mean, we hear about the technical aspects of artificial intelligence, especially within financial services, but rarely is there a conversation about just because we can, should we do it? And I think that this presentation is going to be awesome in regards to addressing that topic. So thanks
awesome.
For that summarization. Now tell me, who do you think would be a great audience member for this presentation? Who do you think would be interested in this topic?
So anyone in an organization or in a banking or a financial, in the fintech industry who creates digital platforms for a living would be, I think this presentation would be helpful for them to look into, because this would provide them insights on how they can, or if they should be using their data, on how they should be using users' data in order to achieve their end goal. So any product development team or even the risk compliance legal partners, because even they need to think about how do these digital platforms and services affect our end users and affect our end users' data. So I would say right from the product development team or the product managers and to the risk compliance, legal, info security partners, I guess all of them would benefit from this presentation.
Sure. There's going to be some information for everyone, is what it sounds like. Yeah. So obviously we're thrilled that you're going to be a speaker, but we're equally thrilled that you're going to be an attendee. Are there other presentations that you are interested in at the U.S. Fintech Symposium?
Sure. I'm really interested in understanding how other companies, especially fintechs and banks, are using blockchain as well as AI in order to solve a lot of the use cases that we face in today's world. We are experimenting with a lot of these technologies, but if there has been any use case which has received a lot of traction with their target market, I think that would be a great presentation or a talk to see, to watch out for. So looking forward to a lot more.
Great. Well, we're looking forward to your presentation, and thank you so much for joining me today and giving us an overview of your presentation. And we look very much forward to seeing it at the event.
Thank you so much, Dan. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Take care.